Welcome to News, AlphaLens's real-time feed for tracking market news across your active symbol universe. News keeps you informed by surfacing the latest headlines, so you always have the context you need to understand what's driving movement in the symbols you follow. The Universe Selector defines which symbols news is displayed, cutting through the noise to deliver only the stories relevant to your trading universe. Scanners and search filters can be layered on top to further narrow the symbol set based on fast-moving market criteria. For deeper focus, the Symbol Picker filters the feed down to a single ticker, bypassing universe and scanner filters entirely to surface only that symbol's news coverage. Articles load in reverse chronological order, newest first, with infinite scroll delivering older stories in batches as you move down the feed. Every headline is displayed alongside its associated symbol, color-coded to reflect the symbol's last price change direction. Selecting a news row opens the full article in a separate window, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. By right-clicking a row, you can open an AlphaLens or chart widget with the selected row's symbol. By default, when a symbol exits your scanner or screener results, its rows disappear from the widget. Set a retention window, say 30 seconds, to keep those filings visible briefly before they fade out, useful when symbols are cycling in and out quickly. You can also link news to other widgets using the channel selector. When widgets share the same channel as news, selecting a symbol will update all linked widgets with that symbol, keeping them in sync without any manual switching. With news, AlphaLens gives you a powerful and focused way to stay on top of the stories moving your markets, with the full context needed to turn information into action.